fast forward a couple of days and we're now in Hanoi. We just found a little street food corner that supposedly serves some delicious vegan meals.
So they have very basic menu, and you've got the banh mi, it's very traditional. That's usually served with meat, but we found something that's veggie. And then we're gonna have the pillow donut, which is the Vietnamese samosa, and we're gonna have some fried spring rolls. They're doing it kind of
The place is really cute here. Like these small chairs. And basically just an extension of the street corner, of the living room into the street corner.
Yeah.
So.
We're currently in a, I don't even know what to describe this, but it's a cafe, but it feels like we're in a little cell of post-it notes.
Post-it note prison.
Yeah, this is the best I can describe it. Look at this, everything is full. This is the mausoleum where Ho Chi Minh is. Boom. That's where he is. We're now at the Halong Bay starting point. This is a fighting cock. Or two fighting cocks, rather. 1, 2. We've got more tourists for the fighting cocks. Or Chicken Island, as some people call it. Oh my god, look at that.
Yeah.
Wow. Right, so here we have the turtle. You see the turtle? And then we've got the phoenix here. So you've got the head there. And then the wings and the tail. And then here we've got the female elephant and the baby elephant. And over here we've got the male elephant. There you go, that's it. Yeah, that's the one. And then we've got an eagle up here, which I can't find. Oh, there it is. There's the eagle, the head of the eagle. It's the eye, beak. And then we've got the...
This was supposed to be unicorn?
Yeah,
I have no idea how that works.
Yeah, I didn't really see the unicorn. But the unicorn is like different. And then the dragon is here. So this is a dragon. But I didn't really get together anymore.
Yeah, so this is the head, the mouth basically here, and then the body goes here.
So it's quite a big dragon. Here is the dragon's mouth. You can see the teeth. So here the teeth, and then the mouth, and then the body like goes behind it. And check this out. How amazing are these structures? That is insane. It looks almost like a jellyfish, but it's dried. Here's a happy Buddha. Tummy, face. What else did we see? The couple there.
The couple.
Wait, am I close? Oh, there's the couple. So here's a couple.
Dancing for the dragon and
the girl.
And the girl.
That got married in this cave.
Did you also get Santa Claus?
No. Let's get Santa Claus. Wait, am I right? Yeah. There's Santa Claus. Oh.
It actually looks like...
It does look like Santa Claus. Oh, someone just pointed out for you. Then King Kong, I'm not fully seeing, but apparently this is King Kong. So...
You could have time to meet Romeo. You see? The black hole over there. The black hole. You see? The shape of it look like the shape of Romeo. With his face here, see? His nose. His First, and his tummy here a little bit big because he came to Vietnam. He drank a lot of beer, okay? That's why his tummy very big, that's right. And he very soft. Where is Julia? Where is Julia? This is Romeo. And where is Julia? Behind? Okay. So let's see. You can see that he hit 5, that's right? Hit 5. And hit 5, look up to this side. And then you see. Let's see the black hole in this area. You can see the shadow here. Let's see her 5, her hand, and her knee. That's right. You see 5, hand, and knee. And let's see Julia. And Romeo came here with a horse over there to invite Julia go to Halong Bay for traveling. You know? With very girl. When they got married, they born 100 children. And this area, let's see the place Vietnamese girl what for 100 children. So you can see the rock here look like the head of children. That's right. And in the legend, one is a human being, one is a dragon. They could not live together for a long time. They divided to separate. 50 children follow their mother, go to the mountain, that area. And 50 children stay here with the dragon. So for 50 children, they could drink their mother milk every day. Vietnamese girl left very big over there. That's the one part of women, you see. And with a lot of milk, on the top there is a cherry. Do you know it? One part of women.
The breath.
Okay. Okay. So ladies and Vietnamese people visit that. When you go there, you can see some area with the black color over there. Black color over there. If you are a man, touch on it. At the first layer here. When you come back to Yokoda, you could meet your girlfriend there. Okay. And the second layer here for women. When you touch there, if you are a single lady, come back to Yokoda, you could meet your boyfriend there. Okay. And in the future, when you have a lot of children, go there and touch on it, and children would get taller, like some people from Western country here. Okay. And this is one part.
And now we've got a shark here and a crocodile's head here. So you've got the eye and the mouth. This is the little incense burner. Right. I don't. Okay, so even the ones that they do. I think you're happy. Yeah, and if I was one of them.
So little.
I know, it's a little baby down. So I'd never seen black swans before. So this is a nice surprise. So the Citadel is over 1,000 years old and was even used as a base for the Vietnamese government during the war between America and Vietnam.
This is the main entrance to the Forbidden City, where the king lived.
Yeah. And they so they have two. So they have the Forbidden City, the Imperial City, and then the Imperial Citadel. So 2 walls.
Yeah.
One of the main reasons why this is so cherished as a World Heritage Site is because for the layers that you get here, and this is only a small part, and they're still going to take up some more layers, aren't they? This is a sacred turtle given on the 1,000-year anniversary of the Citadel, and it's made of sapphire, sitting on marble. Great. The turtle is one of the 4 holy animals, no holy beasts, in Vietnam. And in the cave we saw a lot as well. So there's a dragon, phoenix, turtle, and
Unicorn.
And a unicorn. And the turtle represents strength, prosperity, peace,
sustainability.
We're now going into the military operations bunker that had been built when the Americans came. Oh, automatic doors. This is a bit creepy. I'm not going to stay in here for long.
Where's creepy?
Because someone could just shut the door behind us and I don't want to stay in here. Oh, this is creepy. Someone's sitting in there. Obviously not real.
So here's one of the sites that they excavate. So where these white pillars are hovering or standing is where there used to be pillars in the past. And
It used to be the palace, basically.
the palace, yeah. And they've illustrated really funnily here with humans.
We're now entering the old city of Hue, and these are the city walls. We just realised that there are a few buildings missing actually. We didn't realise at the beginning when we looked at the map. So here was supposed to be the residence, where they now built the square between these two pavilions. And then up here, supposed to be another white building actually that doesn't exist anymore up the stairs. And then here in the middle, like next to this, there was supposed to be another palace. I think there are 3 palaces. 1, 2, 3.
And then the residence.
Residence. Yeah. It's been raining a lot. Like a lot. Like so much. So much rain. So much rain.
But it's beautiful.
Yeah, so much water. So beautiful. We're getting closer to the tomb. It's a bit of a maze even getting in here. We're now walking to the tomb. It's a bit of end of the world mood here. With all the rain, all the grey. Dum dum dum.
Umbrella transition.
Oh, no. Not that way.
Alright.
Oh, stepped in a puddle.
Yeah.
Is this it now? Aha, this is not actually the tomb. This is a round wall that protects the tomb. The wall is 285 meters long, 3 meters high. Great. So this is not actually it. We won't be making it. Oh, so when Ming Mang Emperor passed away, so this is the tomb of Ming Mang, the coffin was brought through an underground channel and it's now permanently closed. So they basically only built a channel just to get his coffin in and then close the whole thing.
Yeah.
You seeing anything?
No, just forest.
Nothing there. Nope. Just green and trees. So now what?
Do we even know he exists?
But I mean, it's pretty cool way up here.
It's beautiful.
If it
I think I
wasn't
said that
raining.
before.
The rain though.